देखिए, these two stanzas are really the most important stanzas of elegy. In these two stanzas, the poet Thomas Gray, he tells us about those poor people who are lying buried in these graves. He says that these people were not educated. What was the reason why they were not educated? Its main reason was this, that they never got any chance to read the books. Those books which were full of knowledge. Those books which took a lot of time to be written. These poor people never opened such type of books. These poor people never got knowledge from such type of books. What was the reason? They were extremely poor people, and poverty always came on their path of study. They couldn't afford such type of books. They couldn't afford to their study. So that's why they did not get knowledge, they did not get education. Though they wanted to achieve, yet they were so poor that poverty suppressed their enthusiasm. It destroyed their noble impulses to achieve knowledge. In the next stanza, the poet says that the caves of ocean, which are dark, which are unfathomed, they are full of beautiful, precious gems, jewels, gold, silver, and so many things. But what is the use of these jewels? What is the use of these gems? Because there is no one who can appreciate this treasury which is found in the caves of ocean. He further says that their condition was just like those flowers which bloom and wither in some desert place where there is no one to appreciate the beauty of these flowers. Similarly, those people who are sleeping in these graves, they had also many talents, but unfortunately there was no one who could appreciate their talent. So their condition was just like the pure gems which are found in the blind caves of the ocean, and their condition was just like those flowers which bloom and wither in some desert place. So that's why the poet expresses sympathy to these poor people, because they had the talent but they couldn't get the chance to show their talent, and their talent died with them. You know that suppose if you have some talent, you have two options: either to use it or to lose it. Every talent needs practice. If you have some talent, if you don't use that talent, your talent will go in vain. You will lose your talent after some time. So they had talent, but because of their poverty, they could not get a chance to show their talents. They died with their talents. Okay, is that clear? चलिए नेक्स्ट देखिएगा.